Ever wondered how a volcano is born? How it shakes the very foundation of our Earth? Picture the Earth's crust, a seemingly solid surface. Yet beneath this surface lies a world of molten rock and gas, constantly shifting, constantly moving. Suddenly, pressure builds. A weak spot in the crust gives way and an opening forms. From this opening, gas, magma, and ash escape with immense force, spewing into the air and flowing over the landscape. Thus, a volcano, a marvel and a menace, is born, forever changing the landscape. One might think all volcanoes are the same, but are they really? Let's delve into the world of volcanoes, a realm where fire and earth dance in a deadly tango. The first type of volcano we're discussing is the composite volcano. These giants are characterized by their conical shape and explosive eruptions. Born from layers of hardened lava, volcanic ash, and tephra, they are the artists behind the creation of some of the most picturesque landscapes on Earth. But their beauty hides a dangerous secret, as their eruptions often result in pyroclastic flows that can decimate everything in their path. On the other hand, we have shield volcanoes. Imagine a warrior's shield laid flat on the ground, and you'll get a sense of their broad, flat shape. These volcanoes ooze out slow-moving viscous lava, which spreads out in all directions, creating their distinctive shape. While they lack the explosive force of their composite counterparts, their slow, steady eruptions can lead to the creation of new land, as seen in the Hawaiian Islands. Indeed, not all volcanoes are created equal. Each holds its unique terror and beauty. Can a volcano sleep or even die? Well, in a manner of speaking, they can. Just like living beings, volcanoes have their own life cycle. They are categorized as active, dormant, or extinct, depending on their level of activity. Active volcanoes are those which are very much awake, regularly erupting and reminding us of their fiery nature. They breathe, rumble, and spew out magma, gas, and ash, shaping and reshaping the Earth's surface. Then we have the dormant ones, the sleeping giants. They haven't erupted in a long time, but they're not dead. They're just in a deep slumber, waiting for the right moment to awaken. Their silence is not a sign of their end, but a pause, a rest between their fiery breaths. And finally, the extinct volcanoes. These are the ones that have died, having no recorded activity for thousands of years. They've breathed their last fiery breath, and now they stand as majestic monuments to their own past. But even in sleep or death, these giants are not silent. Their presence still shapes the landscape, their past eruptions leaving a lasting mark on the Earth. So, even when a volcano sleeps or dies, its presence is still felt, its story etched in the land. Volcanoes are not just limited to land, they are found in places you least expect. Imagine a towering inferno erupting from the ocean's abyss, where sunlight fails to reach, or nestled beneath a serene blanket of ice. Yes, these are the homes of many volcanoes. Unseen by us, these hidden volcanoes shape the very world we inhabit. Beneath the ocean's surface, they form extensive mountain ranges and deep-sea trenches. Their eruptions often go unnoticed, but their influence is far-reaching. They enrich the ocean with nutrients, supporting a diverse range of marine life. And what about those nestled in the icy peaks? They're not just features of a chilling landscape, they're active participants. When the heat meets the ice, it can lead to explosive reactions. The molten lava melts the ice cap, creating a rush of water that can trigger devastating floods, reshaping the landscape in their wake. From the deepest oceans to the icy wilderness, volcanoes are a testament to Earth's fiery heart. Volcanoes, destructive as they are, also leave behind a legacy. Their fiery wrath reshapes landscapes, yes, but it also enriches them. Volcanic ash, a byproduct of their eruptions, is jam-packed with nutrients. When this ash settles onto the surrounding soil, it fertilizes it, making it incredibly fertile. This results in lush, vibrant ecosystems springing up in areas touched by volcanic activity. It's a bit like nature's own version of the phoenix myth. From the ashes, life blooms anew. But it's not just the plant life that benefits from volcanoes. Some birds, in a fascinating display of nature's resourcefulness, lay their eggs near volcanic areas to incubate them. The residual heat from the volcano provides the perfect temperature for these eggs, a natural geothermal nest, if you will. And then, there are the famous ones. Mount St. Helens, Mount Vesuvius, names that echo with historical significance. These volcanoes hold stories of civilizations that once thrived in their shadows, of catastrophic eruptions that altered the course of history. They serve as a stark reminder of the power volcanoes wield. and the respect they command. In the grand scheme of life, volcanoes are not just destroyers but creators, narrators of Earth's dynamic story.